back to my channel. I'm Emma. I got this lip tint. Tint is quite famous in Korea. I'm not sure in other countries. Korean girls wear tint a lot. The color is neon kiss red color. It's kind of chatty makeup tutorial. So I already put foundation and sunscreen. It's time to do contouring. Contouring is fun. Yeah, I'm gonna use the same product, Tarte makeup box. Tarte's really good. The problem is I cannot buy it in Korea. I got it through Sephora. I used two of them and mix. Quite hard to do makeup without seeing myself on mirror. Actually, there is a big mirror behind of the camera, but I'm doing my best to do makeup, not seeing that. Because I want to see the camera lens. Done. It's time to do eye makeup. My tint color is red, so I want to put violet. I'm gonna use this color as base. The color name is Monochrome. Big shimmer floral. I usually use my finger. So you also put that on your inner corner. That makes your eyes look bigger. Done. Then I'm gonna use this brush. Oh, I got it from MAC. I'm gonna use this color. Color name is Hot Nova. Put this color on your eye socket. I'm done. And I want to apply this Gasorial color to make my eyes look a lot bigger. I'm gonna use my finger again. Put this one in the middle of your eyelid. It's time to apply eyeliner. I usually use this brush type of eyeliner because it's really easy to apply. Cat eyeliner. Draw the line first and then fill it up. Eyeliner done. It's time to draw eyebrow. It's one of my favorite parts of doing my makeup because I feel like I create something beautiful on my face. Innisfree eyebrow pencil. Let's draw it. Okay, I'm gonna see the mirror behind of this camera because I cannot draw. Repeat. Yeah, I create something beautiful. It's my thing. I apply Color Fix Brow Cara with NYX. It's Korean brand. If I apply this one on my eyebrow, it lasts longer and it matches well with my hair color. You can see my eyebrow look lighter. Good. Tint. Today's main thing. How cute. I usually wear nude light, but it's a product that's making me out of my comfort zone. There's some smell. It smells like watermelon. So I applied. The color is really bright red. You can see really red. You can see it's really bright red color. And I want to use this tint as blusher. That's not a good thing to use a tint. Let's apply it. I'm gonna use this Revlon Color Stay powder. Set all the makeup. My face is so sweaty. Done. And the last, I wanna apply a fixer. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. I hope you enjoy it and my content will be more diverse, so stay tuned. Anyway, have a beautiful, wonderful, great day and see you on my next